Hello everyone, welcome back to our channel Login Assist. In this guide video, I will show you how to delete Weverse account. So first of all, what you have to do is launch open Weverse application. Make sure you're logged into your account. You can see over here Weverse application has been opened. Initially, you'll be in the home interface. So if you want to delete your account, what you have to do is tap on the more icon that you can see at the bottom right corner of your screen. Now you'll be led to this kind of interface. You'll be able to see your account over here. Right next to it, you'll be able to find the option for My Account. Simply tap on it. Now you can see over here, you'll be redirected to the browser. You'll be able to find various options over here. What you have to do is scroll down, find the section for connected apps and services. Over here, you'll be able to find the option for Weverse. Right next to it, you'll be able to find the option for delete. Simply tap on it. Now you can see over here, you'll be led to this kind of interface. You'll have to read these informations very carefully before deleting your account. After deleting your account from Weverse service, the account information will become unrecoverable. After 90 days, you can sign up or connect with your same account. However, the information of that account will not be recovered. Also, your activity history, including the communities you joined and the nicknames you use, will be deleted. So read these informations very carefully. Now what you have to do is simply type in the text over here, delete account from Weverse. Tap on this field. Now simply type in delete account from Weverse. Now after doing that, simply tap on this option, delete account from Weverse. Now this kind of pop-up will appear. Simply tap on the option delete. Now you can see over here you successfully disconnected the Weverse. Simply tap on the option close. Now what you have to do is scroll down. After you disconnect the service, what you have to do is tap on this option, delete Weverse account. Now you'll be led to this kind of interface. You'll have to read these informations very carefully. After deleting your Weverse account, the account information will become unrecoverable. After 90 days, you can sign up with your same account. Read these informations very carefully. Now over here, what you have to do is type in delete Weverse account. So simply tap on this field. Now type in delete Weverse account. Now tap on this option, delete Weverse account. Now this kind of pop-up will appear. Simply tap on the option delete. Now you can see over here your Weverse account is successfully deleted. You can simply close this. Now after that your account will successfully be deleted. So like this you'll be able to delete the account. So that is how you delete Weverse account. I hope you found this video helpful. Thank you for watching. Make sure to like, share and subscribe to our channel.